Hello everyone, today we're going to be looking at the TORCHSTAR 8-pack 5 CCT 6-inch slim LED recessed lighting. This kit comes with a junction box as well as an anti-glare baffle trim, and they are LED and they display 5 different brightnesses all the way from 2700K to 5000K. And this is all selectable once they're installed, and you can change the brightness setting. Now, when you receive these are going to be separated from the junction box. They're very thin. This measures 6 inches right here, and it measures 7 inches outside to outside. So when you're drilling a hole to install these, you're going to need a 6-inch hole in your ceiling. The cool feature on this is this easy to connect to your junction box. There are 2 arrows. All you have to do is line those up, push them together, and thread the cap on, securing this connection. Once that's connected, you will then install your junction box. You open it up. They include wire nuts to install this. You have your hot and your neutral and your bare ground connection. All you have to do is push on this pop out to install your 14-2 or 12-2 wiring to wire this up. Now, once you have it wired, you can go ahead and close your junction box. And you can go to the side here. You can then look right here. You have a toggle switch for your different brightness settings and outputs. Now, I haven't got to play with this yet, but I am installing these currently, so I will show you what 35K looks like, because that, I think, is what I am going to go for. Now, as you can see here, I already have 3 lights installed in my bedroom. I'm about to install the 4th one, and I'll show you guys how easy it is to install these. Now, all you're gonna need is that 6-inch hole cut into your ceiling. Now, to install these, I am gonna be wiring these in the attic. It's just easier for where I'm putting these lights at. You're gonna wanna install the junction box onto the light. You'll insert the junction box into the attic. They have these spring-loaded ears here. All you have to do is put one ear in and then fold the other into the drywall and push on the light. It clips right into place, and just like that, your light is installed. Once they're all installed, you have light. So go check out these recessed lights. They're really cool. Again, these are 6-inch lights, super easy to install and super user-friendly. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it helped.